This recipe is long overdue, so today I'm going to be showing some of my wraps and my favorite sandwiches. I just opened up my fridge and I'm going to make something out of what I found. Nothing special here, so let's get started. So here I just have some plain rye bread and a quick mix for a spicy aioli. Recipe in the description below, by the way. If you like the layout right now and the awesome prep, make sure to give me a subscribe and leave a like down below. Next we have some arugula. I love arugula. Let me know if you like arugula down below or if there's some other green which you prefer. Now deli meat, awesome, amazing, so versatile, and it's great in sandwiches. Yep, those tomatoes are very skinny. I don't like raw tomatoes that much, but I really like that barbecue mustard. Worth a try. Classic onions, you always want that in a sandwich, except if you're in an office, which of course some of you are probably not. Look at that. That looks beautiful and I can't wait to eat that. I'm probably gonna have it later in the week though. Alright, next I have some pita, so let's make a quick falafel wrap. This is what I learned from a classic shawarma shop in Canada, and I really am a master at opening up the pita now, and I'm sure you will get there as well. So just some sour cream and iceberg lettuce. I love iceberg, nice and crispy, fresh, almost 0 calories. Next, I like that heat, so I'm gonna add some jalapeno. If you don't like spice, remove the seeds and the white parts to really reduce the amount of spice. Creamy hummus. Just some spicy red pepper hummus. I really like that, and you should really give it a shot if you haven't. Onions, tomatoes, classic sandwich toppings, and here is some falafels. I actually air fried these the other day, and I just had some lying in the fridge which I decided to make into a wrap today. So make sure you wrap it very tightly and you'll have a great looking wrap. Okay, let's go to the next one. As you can see, these are all being made from a few common ingredients, and that's what I want to show you. Now this is what I air fried in my new air fryer. Just some Cajun spice olive oil, air fry for about 10 to 11 minutes after you slightly flatten out that chicken. Okay, for the sandwich we're gonna slightly add a bit of mayonnaise and then some chopped scallions or green onions. That's gonna add a nice zest and flavor to the sandwich. Again, arugula, that's the green that I have, arugula and lettuce, so I'm gonna choose arugula. And this is a nice twist, some sliced Granny Smith apples. It adds some sweetness and crisp. Thinly slice that chicken and really get that stacked on that sandwich. Again, the sweet, crispy cucumbers and some hot sauce to really balance off that sweetness that we have from the cucumbers and the apples. Again, chipotle barbecue sauce, spicy, delicious. Let's get started. Alright, no sandwich is complete without some cheese, so let's add that cheese right now. Just some simple old cheddar, and it's delicious. And that is good to go. That is the nice beefy looking sandwich which I'm sure anybody would enjoy. It's if you eat chicken, that is. I'm really resisting not to eat that right now. Alright, next we have a quick chicken wrap. We're gonna use that same chicken, except we're gonna turn it into a wrap. So here is some red pepper pesto which I found in my fridge, and again we're gonna add some iceberg lettuce and really chopped up that chicken into strips. It's the same chicken in a different shape. It just adds some excitement. It excites me, I don't know about you. Alright. And look at that avocado peel. It is perfect. You don't know how much bad luck I've had lately, but thank God I got lucky for this video. Just cut them into strips, and we just want it to be all a similar shape so it's easy to wrap later on. Again, some of that cheese, barbecue sauce, and we are good to go. Oh, I forgot about the sour cream. Let's add that on right there to really make it creamy and balance off again that spiciness from the jalapeno and the chipotle. Make sure to give it a wrap. This was kind of a messy wrap, but the messier the wrap, the tastier it is, right? Looking good. Now this is especially for the vegetarians. If you like paneer or Indian cottage cheese, you're gonna love this one. I've just finely grated them and added some of those chopped jalapenos. And I'm gonna make a quick barbecue-y, creamy, sour creamy mix. So I'm gonna add in the cheese, whatever I had left over, some of the onions, hot sauce, and to really give it that depth of flavor, some of that chipotle barbecue. I really like that stuff. Again, loads and loads of sour cream. That's gonna give it most of the body and the creaminess that you're looking for. Let's finish off the green onions, give it a quick mix. My video stopped recording, so I had to cut here, but basically you just spread it onto the toast and then you load it up with cucumbers just to give a different texture from the creaminess. Again, lettuce is for the same reason. Close it up and enjoy. That looks amazing. So as you saw right here, these are a few ingredients which I used, and I made 5 different wraps and sandwiches. That's how easy it is. Lunches don't have to be hard, so don't make it hard on yourself. Just open up the fridge and find what you like and really get creative. It's not that hard, and I really hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.